Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to dive into the Takealot app. So we're going to quickly review the mobile app to see if this mobile app can be a game changer for you. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about the Takealot app. Takealot app is a simple and makes online shopping easy with a huge selection of products, fast delivery options, and regular deals across categories. It's user-friendly, it offers reliable order tracking and supports secure payment method for convenience and security purpose. However, some users report delays in delivery time and the occasional customer service issues, which is very annoying. So in conclusion, the app is a solid and a convenient shopping app, especially if you are in South Africa. So if you are outside the region, you might find the app a little bit tricky and frustrating. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.